session. The JPEX department invite us to play in the concert. We need to practice the very difficult song. Three songs. And sing Birthday of Foundation. We need to practice every day to complete this song. And the day the foundation is there. We felt very nervous and very nervous. So, may enjoyable experience during lunch. We are so happy and we nervous because many students watching us, long for us, and after the song plays, the end of the song, many students applaud for us and shout because and that we felt happy and